Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about credit cards. Love them or hate them, credit cards are a ubiquitous part of modern life. But are they really worth it? In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of credit cards, so you can make an informed decision about whether they're right for you. Pros of credit cards. Let's start with the pros. Credit cards can be incredibly convenient. They're widely accepted and you can use them to make purchases online and in person. Plus, many credit cards offer rewards programs, such as cashback or travel points. And if you use your credit card responsibly, it can help you build credit. Cons of credit cards. Now, let's talk about the cons. Credit cards can lead to overspending and accumulating debt if you're not careful. And if you don't pay your balance in full each month, you'll be charged interest on your outstanding balance. Plus, many credit cards come with fees, such as annual fees, late fees, and foreign transaction fees. And if you miss payments or have high credit utilization, it can negatively impact your credit score. So, are credit cards worth it? It really depends on your individual financial situation and goals. If you're responsible with credit and can pay your balance in full each month, credit cards can be a great tool. But if you're prone to overspending or accumulating debt, you might want to think twice. Additional tips. Here are some additional tips to keep in mind when using credit cards. Always read the terms and conditions before applying for a credit card. Make sure you understand the interest rate and any fees associated with the card. Use credit cards for purchases you can afford to pay off in full each month. Consider setting up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment. Monitor your credit score regularly to ensure it's accurate and up-to-date. Common mistakes to avoid. Here are some common mistakes to avoid when using credit cards. Overspending and accumulating debt. Missing payments or making late payments. Applying for too many credit cards at once. Not monitoring your credit score regularly. Not reading the terms and conditions before applying for a credit card. In conclusion, credit cards can be a useful tool for building credit and making purchases, but they require responsible use. By following the tips and avoiding common mistakes, you can use credit cards effectively and maintain a healthy financial situation. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe for more personal finance content.